Antigua and Barbuda do watch this video. Antigua and Barbuda is located in the Caribbean Sea, east of St. Kitts and Nevis and north of Guadeloupe and Montserrat. It is made up of the larger southern island of Antigua, the smaller and sparsely populated northern island of Barbuda, and the remote uninhabited island of Redonda. Barbuda and the Barbudan people are still recovering from Hurricane Irma, which devastated the island in 2017. The capital and largest city located on Antigua is St. John's. The culture of Antigua and Barbuda comes from a mix of colonial British and African culture, and the most common religion is Christianity. Antiguans and Barbudans enjoy sports, especially cricket, which is very popular in the country. English is the official language, although many people also speak Antiguan Creole. The national dish is fungi and pepper pot, and other food includes ducana and sous. The Antigua black pineapple is also found there and is known for being very sweet. The flag of Antigua and Barbuda has two large red triangles in the bottom corners, with white, blue, and black stripes in the center with a yellow sun. The black symbolizes soil and African heritage. The sun is for the dawn of a new era. The blue is for hope. The red symbolizes the former African slaves and progress. And the gold, blue, and white also symbolize the sun, sea, and sand. The V shape is for victory. Antigua and Barbuda has a relatively prosperous economy. It is heavily dependent on tourism, which makes up around 60% of GDP, and the economy was hurt by the COVID pandemic. Antigua and Barbuda also has extremely low taxes, which attracts businesses and wealthy people to the country. Antigua and Barbuda is a member of the Commonwealth of Nations, the Caribbean Community, and also the Organization of Eastern Caribbean States, which is an integrated group of countries with similar culture in the Eastern Caribbean region, who use the Eastern Caribbean dollar as their currency and have free movement between members. Antigua and Barbuda is tropical with generally warm weather. Most of the country is a tropical forest, and it also has white sand beaches on pristine turquoise waters that draw many tourists. Antigua and Barbuda also has coral reefs, which are great for snorkeling. Barbuda is very flat, and on Antigua most hills are in the southwest of the country, including the tallest point, Mount Obama, which was formerly called Boggy Peak before being renamed for the then President of the United States. The country has whales and dolphins swimming off the coast, as well as lizards and snakes. The small island of Redonda was home to invasive goats and rats, which were destroying the ecosystem before they were removed. Antigua and Barbuda is also home to birds such as doves, flycatchers, ducks, hummingbirds, and bananaquits. The national bird is the frigate bird. The national animal is the introduced fallow deer. So, in conclusion, Antigua and Barbuda is an interesting and beautiful Caribbean island nation. Stay tuned, Tonga is coming up next.